Hey there, welcome back to our channel. This video is specially made for Oppo Reno 15 Pro users. Today I'm going to show you how to use dual WhatsApp on one phone in a very easy and a clear way so that you can manage two numbers without any confusion. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon to stay updated with all our tech tips. Alright, let's get straight into the video.